Hello everyone! In today's video I will show you how you can make several types of vortex coils. You can make a triangular shaped vortex, a square one, a pentagon or a hexagon. So first of all you need to know that for a better effect and visualization you should use strips of at least 3 or 4 different shades or colors. For my first vortex I glued 4 strips of different shades of green and I rolled them into a tight coil. Then I pressed it in the middle and squeezed the ends as tightly as I could. I put the coil into a template tool, into a circle bigger than my coil, so it has some room to get loose. With the needle tool, I slowly loosened up the middle until it's all undone, in the same time gently holding in place the part loosened already. Then I glued the end. I followed the same steps for my second vortex, this time shaping the tight coil into a triangle. As you can see, the shape that resulted has one more side line than the tight shape we start with. My tight marquise that had 2 sides became a triangle, my second tight triangle became a square. For the third vortex, I started gluing 7 strips of different shades, then I rolled them tight into a square and followed the same steps. This time my square will transform into a hexagon because the template I put it in was a bit bigger. I played a little with the next two shapes, but anyway, I used the same principle and technique. So this final one is like my third, but the tight coil is smaller, just out of 4 strips, and the template I put it in is smaller. We will end up with a pentagon and not a hexagon. So actually it's all about math. Depending of how long the sides of our starting tight shape are, because they are bent, they will fold and adjust on the circumference of the template you are using as the shape gets loose. Just take care not to use a big tight coil on a small template because it will not have enough room to loosen up. Or the opposite, to use a small tight coil on a way bigger template because the final shape might not stay in place afterwards, or it might not end up what you want it at all. for watching and hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if you want more details on a specific shape. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Take care!